Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to customize your profile in Rocket League SIdeswipe. To do this, you need to go to your settings right here. It's this button, then profile, then press this pen button next to your banner like this, and from here you'll be able to customize your profile. You can choose your avatar like this one, for example, and it changes. Then go to your banners. You can change your banner as well, for example this sandwich. Then you can change your title, and you can select from any available to you. And from here you can drag and drop your favorite chat comments, like for example no problem here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.